Erica from Welding Machinery. Today I will introduce the infinite wholesale laser welding machine to you. Firstly, let's ask the main part of the machine is max laser source and the industrial water chiller. It has a good cooling effect. You can also see the welding time at the side. This welding head is made of aluminum and it is easy to use. Let us look the control system board. This is a touch screen. You can change the function and change the language or others here. This is some buttons, easy to use. The machine is also certificated with European certificate. We will show you a test video later. Please check it. The machine can change the system languages according to your requirement.